Hello everyone, today we start working with the library known as jQuery. What is jQuery? jQuery simplifies the way that we use JavaScript within the web page. So the jQuery is not by default installed in the browser. So if you want to use it in your web page, you need to download it. So today I'm going to teach you how to download it. So go to jQuery web page and then go to download jQuery. You will notice that if you click the download compressed jQuery, it will show this one. So you don't need to worry about it. What you need to do is go to here and set as jQuery file. So I already download it. You just need to save it, and then for example, like you can jQuery.js. Remember to put the .js and then save it. So after you save, you go to the editor. I use the Visual Studio Code, and then what you need to do is drag the file into your editor. So I already dragged the file into my editor. So this is my file. I already dragged the file into my editor. What you need to do is go to HTML, go to here, type the script. Inside the script, what you need to do is, and then inside the script, you just type the sources, and then copy the file you name it. For example, my file is called jQuery1.js. You just like it directly send with your file name jQuery1.js. So it was successfully to use the jQuery in your HTML. So I will going to teach you how to use jQuery instead of writing a very long JavaScript. So I create a button first. Inside the button, I need to call it ID create me. Inside I just call it create, and then I also want to call a paragraph. Inside the paragraph, I want you visit this page, span ID equal to times 0 times. So we are ready to write JavaScript here by using the jQuery function. What I need to do is, if the user click the button called the click, so it will show you visit this page once or 2 times or 3 times and so on by using the function the library called the jQuery. So I create a variable first. In this variable, I just call the click times equal to 0 first. Inside the function, I just call the create numbers, and then what I need to do is I call it a variable first, link to this one called you visit the page span ID types. What I need to do is inside the function variable, I just call it times number equal to. For user, when you use the JavaScript, what you need to do is document dot get element IDs and get this times ID. But in the using the jQuery, what you need to do is create this one first, like a dollar sign. Inside dollar sign, what you need to do is because we use the ID, so we need to use this and then just copy it times. So and then after that, what you need to do is create times plus. So if the create times equal to 1, what I need to do is times number dot html. What I need to write is once you visit this first time once, instead of using dot inner html equal to once, we just use a short form by using jQuery, and then else what I need to do is times number dot html create numbers create times create times plus times. So when you visit the second time, it will show the 2 plus times, so 2 times. After that, what you need to do is get the event listener. But instead of using, I will show you, for example, if the click button equal to, instead of using get add event listener, and then instead of using this one create function, and then create numbers size create numbers, what I need to do is we just simply equal to dollar sign equal to dollar sign, and then also this one and the click me. After that, click button dot create function. So instead of using add event listener, we just need to do is dot create function, and then go to here, call the function create numbers. So it will call the function. So control save, and then open the reply server. So if I click, it will show the once, click 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times. So I will end my today tutorial. So if you want me to teach me more about the jQuery, please leave the comment and support me and subscribe me. Thank you everyone.